Mama, mama, cow, it's been a while, up and down, all around. Mama, mama, cow, it's been a while. See all you can see, all you can do, be all you can be, go all that you can go, up and down, all around. Mama, mama, cow, it's been a while.
Okay, so we're going to be filming St. Dominic Street. So St. Dominic starts right here at this Capitol Theater, and we'll just walk all the way down it. There's also some really beautiful lights coming on right now as well, so we're going to capture that. And I always like this apartment building right here. This is kind of the beginning of the St. Dominic's, this beautiful green and white one with these nice windows and balconies. And we're going to walk all the way down this way, all the way to St. Dominic's Church on St. Dominic Street. So stay tuned. Macau. St. Dominic Street. Up on the map, you can see exactly where we are. We also had some music, so the music is something that I wrote and put in an AI. That's going up the screen right now too. And without further ado, let's just go down St. Dominic Street, Rua de São Domingo, as if you were there yourself. Come on, let's go. Okay, so here we are in St. Dominic Street. Let me just kind of go down a little bit. I want to cross the street briefly. Capture the lighting of this one because it's kind of amazing. So yeah, the way that apartment looks, then you have more apartments over there too, right? So they all have this kind of nice balconies and the nice coloring too. Okay, before we go down our St. Dominic's, this is kind of it's like Philomena. There's several streets up there with these kind of nice pastel and a nice temple up there too. Couple nice ones, small but really cool. But we're gonna nonetheless we're gonna just continue down. Oh, this is Verdade Street, so those colorful houses are on Verdade's. Philomena is up there too. Okay, so let's head on down, and then we're gonna be following this one, St. Dominic's. That's the Capitol Theater, so that's basically where we kind of start. Okay, so let's go on down. It's funny, usually I'm filming on the other side of the street. It's very rare that I film on this side because we're going to cross over here, and then when you see this side you can understand why. But this is really photogenic right here, this beautiful yellow building. And there's that green building right there. Okay. Okay. This is kind of a new. It's like a shoe shop. Nice decor. So we're gonna go down this way towards St. Paul Church. Sorry, St. Dominic's Church. Down this direction is also St. Paul, but we're gonna go down to St. Dominic's. You see the beauty of the street. And some of the nice architecture too. Yeah, I like this building right there, that one straight ahead. And then right here is the Portuguese bookstore. Oh, they got some new things up on the... Oh, these are new. There's Pisania. Some of the writers in here. Let me just kind of take a look here. So these are kind of new. That's Camilla Pisana. I guess I don't recognize. It's so cool. Usually you always see. It's really cool. It's a really nice. I wonder who designed those. There's Camões. Just a couple more. Huh. Okay. I wonder who's working. Oh, we have more of these too. So there should have some So they're kind of busy. If there wasn't customers there, I would ask him if he knew, if he could tell me all the different writers that are out here. Okay, so we're gonna keep on walking down St. Dominic's. I might actually ask them another time. I'll come by another day and ask. Let's try to capture this beautiful corners here. Yeah, actually both these buildings together, the architecture is really beautiful. Yeah. It's nice. Up there is Say Cathedral. We're going to walk down. So St. Dominic's keeps on going down. So we'll follow that. Yeah, actually maybe a viewer might actually recognize all those different writers. If they do, maybe make a mention about it. Just kind of walk. I want to capture this stand right here because it's kind of cool. There we go. Daiso's in the background there. Okay, so we're going to keep on going down. So yeah, St. Dominic's is straight ahead, and then to the right would be St. Paul, and then to your left would be Say Cathedral. But we'll follow all the way down to St. Dominic because this is on St. Dominic Street right now. And just kind of so this right here would be the Say direction. It's a beautiful Nike store right there. Then the Say would be directly this way. So you see some murals up there. And then the church is up there too. And then the St. Paul would be, we're going to go that direction next. St. Paul would be up this way. So it'd be all the way up that direction. Actually, you can see it. So St. Paul, you can see Say Cathedral, and then Sonata Square, all the different signs. So St. Dominic's is straight this way. We'll try to go down. There we go. St. Paul's is straight up that way. And we're gonna go down this way. Let's kind of lift it up a little bit. Nice. Okay, so the architecture is so nice in this area. We're going to try to capture. Oh, there's a coffee shop right there. It's relatively new. Lots of nice buildings everywhere in this area. Professor?
Yeah, you're the professor.
I teach at University of Macau.
Right? Yeah, I saw you. It's a fun. It's a lovely camera with the.
Oh, the
case.
YouTube? Yeah. Pretty cool. Okay, so we're gonna keep on walking down. Not a professor, but teach. Anyways. So we're going to keep on meandering all the way down to the end of St. Thought he was some kind of security guy. When he came up to me, thought he was going to say like, oh, there's some important person who's going to come down the street, you have to clear the way or something. Okay, so there's St. Dominic's. And then this goes down to Sonata Square. So let me just kind of go like this. We'll just try to capture the beauty of this area. It's a ceremony, inauguration, 247 days of the, okay. So the countdown for Olympic Games. So there's St. Dominic's. So we're going to conclude this street by going kind of up to this area. I'm going to try to capture it from a certain angle. All kinds of stuff going on today. But yeah, that looks really nice when you got St. Dominic's like that right there. It's kind of angled like this. So the church is like right in there. So we basically did St. Dominic's Street, and now we're just looking back at the street again. So we're going to conclude our street. So hopefully kind of interesting. So there we go. St. Dominic's Street, the St. Dominic's Church right there.
See all you can see.